I'm coming here to do
Jadi pada lain.
the way.
Bagus sangat. Dia panggil saya stupid kan? Ha?
I didn't call you anything.
Akang.
I don't think this is the way to behave, you know.
Saya cakap apa? Seorang saja kat sini kan? Tak perlu ramai-ramai. Untuk apa ramai-ramai? You yang memandu. You saja kat sini. Nak buat apa sampai 2-3 orang?
I'm just coming here to ask for a report. Why is it so hard?
So, di tengah saya tak dengar. Dia cakap apa kat saya tadi? Stupid kan? Kenapa tak cakap masa yang dia cakap stupid tu rakam sekali?
I never even did anything to you.
Memang you tak buat apa-apa. Tapi dia yang buat. You ingat saya tak dengar?
I'm just asking you for a report and then you are doing like this.
Sudahlah, setakat naik angin. Kalau orang tak buat, saya naik angin dulu tau. Okay,
You're purposely just delaying time and you're not helping me at all.
I don't care what you want to say. Jangan buat saya kurang ajar dengan orang kalau you tak mulakan dulu
I didn't even start anything to you.
Saya
I just
cakap
said,
seorang saja kan? Berapa banyak kali saya nak ulang?
what's wrong with she's sitting there?
Seorang-seorang je lah.
So you
You
don't
kalau pergi balai,
So you
you kalau
don't-
pergi balai mana-mana lain pun, kalau you pergi bank pun, kena ramai-ramai tu duduk kat kaunter.
I'm just sitting here only and I'm helping you.
So dia-
There's not many people, there's only two
Dia
people,
siapa?
you know. She's sitting beside me, the passenger.
Okay, tak perlu dekat balai seorang saja untuk ambil report.
Yeah, but why you getting angry for?
You nak ambil report kan?
Okay, if you don't want to help me do the report, it's alright. I'll just go to another police station
Pergi
there.
lah.
Okay.